Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect your Xbox wireless controller. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have an Xbox wireless controller, and this tutorial is going to be specifically designed for connecting the Xbox wireless controller to the console. You can use this for other uses, but if you are trying to connect it to your Xbox console, one of the Xbox consoles that it's compatible with, this is going to be what the tutorial is geared towards. Okay, now I'm going to keep it very simple and straightforward. Essentially, if you want to connect it, okay, there are two ways to do it. You can do it wirelessly or wired. Okay, so for the first way, wirelessly, basically you're going to use the pair button on the console and the pair button on the controller, and you're going to use those pair buttons to sort of pair the console and the controller together. Now on your console, your pair button is going to be somewhere depending on your console. You're going to have to look for it. So go and look at where it might be. And on your controller, as you can see, the pair button is going to be right over here. That's what it looks like. That's the pair button right over there. That's the one that I'm talking about on the actual controller. That's the pair button right over there. So it's going to be slightly different depending on your console. That's why I didn't want to make the instructions so specific, because you can, depending on your controller, you can pair it with different consoles, and depending on which Xbox console you're pairing it with, the instructions are going to be slightly different. So I do recommend that you go and look up the specific instructions for your console that you have, okay? And then once you have those instructions, you can utilize them. But what you need to know is that basically, generally speaking, as a general rule of thumb, for different Xbox consoles, you're still going to use the pair button on the console and the pair button on the controller, and those are the buttons that are going to allow the console and the controller to pair. So that's how you connect it, by using those buttons. That's how you connect it wirelessly. And the instructions are going to be ever so slightly different depending on your console. So go look up your specific console. Okay, that's the first way, wirelessly, utilizing the pair buttons on the console and the controller. And I showed you where the one on the controller is, and on the console, you got to look at which specific console you have, the specific console that you have, and utilize the instructions for that console. The second way is going to be a wired connection. Now, basically, for a wired connection, it's really, really simple. You're going to notice that there's multiple ports on your controller. Okay, now we're not going to use this port down here. Okay, that's not the one we're utilizing. We're going to use this port right here. This one looks familiar. You probably have many cords that will fit this port over here. You want to utilize basically a USB cable that will fit into this port and also into your console. And when you have the appropriate USB cable that will fit into this port over here and your console, then you can just literally wired connect it. So like plug one end into the controller, plug the other end into the console, and you should have yourself a nice wired connection with the controller. And that's basically it. That's how to connect the controller to the console in terms of, a wireless connection and a wired connection. And like I said, for your specific console, go look up the instructions that are geared towards your specific console, because they might be ever so slightly different. They are going to be ever so slightly different from what I understand from one console to the next. So yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.